Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Honda Civic faster. We'll start by looking at engine modifications that can unlock more power. Then, we'll explore how improving airflow with intake and exhaust upgrades can boost your car's efficiency. Finally, we'll discuss the impact of reducing weight through lighter wheels and tires, which directly improves acceleration and handling. Let's dive into the details to get your Civic performing at its best. Optimizing your Civic's engine starts with an ECU reflash, which fine-tunes your car's computer for better performance. This can adjust fuel maps and ignition timing to safely increase horsepower and torque. For a more dramatic boost, consider forced induction like a turbocharger or supercharger kit, which can add significant power. Don't forget smaller upgrades like performance spark plugs and coils, ensuring your engine burns fuel as efficiently as possible for maximum output. Improving your Civic's breathing is crucial. A cold air intake system brings in cooler, denser air, which allows for more power. Pair this with a performance exhaust system to reduce back pressure, letting your engine exhale more freely and efficiently. Beyond the engine, consider drivetrain upgrades. A stronger clutch and a lighter flywheel can significantly improve how power is transferred to your wheels, making acceleration feel much more direct and responsive. Finally, let's talk about putting that power to the ground and controlling it. Performance tires are essential for maximizing grip and traction, allowing for quicker launches and better cornering. Lighter wheels not only look great but also reduce unsprung weight, which directly improves acceleration, braking, and handling. And for overall control, upgraded suspension components like coilovers or stiffer springs will keep your Civic stable and responsive, especially during spirited driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.